What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we'll be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. As well as OMG. So shout out to it. I believe it is Seth Shepard for commenting his top altcoin. You are the lucky person who gets to be shouted out today. So basically, let's just jump right into the cryptocurrency market cap. As I refresh the cryptocurrency market cap, you'll notice that there has been a lot of changes that we are starting to see within the market. You'll notice that the market is up to $260 billion, which is a little bit less than where we'd like to be, of course. Bitcoin dominance is a little less than yesterday too, so that's an interesting thing. That means money is flowing out of Bitcoin and into altcoins, which is very interesting. You'll notice Litecoin is up 4%, the most out of the top altcoins right now. Ethereum up 4, Ripple up 1.6, and Bitcoin down almost 2%. So very interesting to notice that. Moving on to Litecoin. So I wanted to show you guys this. A lot of you guys are so anti-Litecoin, but I wanted to show you this more precise pennant flag that I drew. If you look at this, and if I showed you this in the start, you'd say, okay, this looks about right, you know. We have our A point, we have our starting point, then A, B, C, D, and now we're looking for an E. So when you look at the graph like this, everything seems okay, you know. We bounced right off D, looking for that point, and now we seem to be heading up in the right direction, which is nice. You'll notice that if I just zoom in ever so slightly, you'll notice that at D, we did have that reversal candle right here. We were oversold as well. So that is a good indicator that we are now starting an upwards trend. And as you can see, we're not breaking out, but we're moving up. If I go into the TD sequential, you'll notice that after a run of 1 and we opened on the second candle of 2, this is the Tom DeMark's sequential, we had a run all the way down to 7 before we reversed and are now trading above. So you'll see the 8 candle is about to close right here. And then we are going to start by opening up a new candle, probably starting at 1, and then we need to see if the number 2 can close above it, and then we can continue upwards. So this is a nice way to see whether or not a run has been over, and to see a 1 to an 8-day candle it's pretty much the end of the trading with this run, and now we're going to see a reversal period and an upwards movement. So keep an eye out on that. I'm going to close that. So nice to see that we're now bouncing off of that 109 mark. You'll notice that that is still lower than where we were before at that 100. So we're still good, guys. We still are moving in an upwards direction, you know? This is higher than here, so we're still setting higher lows and the lower highs, or lower highs and higher lows. So we still look good, you know? I like the way this chart is pointing out. And what we're going to look for now is a run to point E. That's what we're looking for now. Now that we had the reversal, we might see some consolidation, but it should be a shorter, much quicker run. We need to see a movement up to E, and most likely breaking through E and retesting that middle moving average, and hopefully we can get a breakout into higher highs, you know, the $300-400 range. But definitely pay attention to that. I think Litecoin has a lot of potential, and I think we can be seeing, you know, 1,000+ Litecoin in the next month. It's very possible, being extremely oversold the way we are. I want to just zoom back quick. You'll notice the last time we were so oversold, I can't even find it. Holy cow. Well, we really don't have an oversold point in the just moving back, but you'll notice right here was the last time we were pretty close to being oversold, and we popped up. We went from literally $103 all the way to $240, $252, which is absolutely wild. So in that case, we can make a run very, very, very quickly. It is very possible that we can break out being extremely oversold like this, that this pretty much might be the end for Litecoin's downtrend, and we might see a break and a pop above E and move up to higher highs, which is what we're looking for. Moving on to Bitcoin, kind of doing the same thing as Litecoin. We are still closing on E. You'll notice we did get a point D, and now we are looking to break out of this pennant flag and retest that that middle moving average. You'll notice how this is playing out. We have the starting point A, B, C, D. Now we're looking for E. And if this all plays out and goes according to plan, we should see a very, 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 very nice run. I'm just going to try and show you guys what we can expect by going on the, let's see, price range. We started here and we broke up all the way to here, which is a 249% gain. So now if I just move that, I don't know how to move that. Not sure if I'm doing, yeah, okay, so we start here, and we were looking for a 249% gain. We now have to move this up. Holy cow, that was not supposed to happen. We have to look for a 249% gain right now. So expect higher than this. I'm going to move this up. 249%. Is right around here, guys. So to show you this is the potential. You guys are saying not to go by the numbers, so we're going to go by the percentage. Litecoin did a 249% jump right here. Being at where we are right now, if we break in the upwards, we have the potential to see a freaking $24,000 Bitcoin, and that is awesome. To show you this on Litecoin, I'm going to just zoom out quickly and show you guys the potential that Litecoin has if and when it does break out. So obviously you'll notice that the jump is much bigger on Litecoin. We started right here and we moved, whoa, that was not supposed to happen. We started, let's see. That's not it, right here. So we started right here and we went, why is this doing that? Okay. So we start right here and we went all the way up to here. Whether you guys want to count this right at this tippy top is totally up to you. We can play it safe and let's just say we had a 313% gain, right? So we started right here and we went around halfway. We'll make it a little lower at the tops of these. So you'll notice if I just move this out a little bit, if it lets me. Yeah, here we go. So you'll notice that where this is placed at the tops right here, not at the total top, but right around here, you'll notice this is a 304% gain. That's wild, guys, if you got in on that. A 304% gain, triple your money. So let's now do a 304% gain from, let's say, the breaking point of this triangle. All right? So we're going to zoom out right now, and we're going to draw this up and make it 304%. Right around here. So, going off how big of the jump this did, we can now calculate that this is 304%. We move that over to around the breaking point of where we see Litecoin break. So maybe right here, who knows where it will. But an average of around 304%, you'll notice that the Litecoin will be around $520. That is crazy. That means you would pretty much, even though it's 304%, if you bought 100, every $100 would be potentially $500, and that is awesome. That is what we're looking for, and that is the potential Litecoin has if it pops, because the amount of steam it's building up right now, the potential is phenomenal. Moving on to Ethereum, we're going to zoom out right now, and I want to show you guys what is happening. So yeah, as you can see, we're still having this mark. And this also has potential to break up higher. I'm going to draw that out. Let's go from the top here. I don't know why that does that, but we'll go from the top of where we were. Bring that down to about where it started. That is a... Wow, that is off. Okay, so we're going to start it here and go up. There we go. We're on a 340% gain. We now move this over to where it can pop here. Let's say it pops right there. And now we drag this up to a 340% gain. And now we're looking at a $1,700 Ethereum coin. And we're only at 400 right now. If we pop and break out, this is where I can see it going. I'm going to be straight up honest with you guys. I think that it is for sure 100% possible a $1,300, almost $1,400 increase on the current price of Ethereum. And I think that is so possible and so in the future. Like, it is so clear. And I do think it will happen in all these cryptocurrencies. If history repeats itself, this is what's going to happen, guys. I want to show you guys this because I think this is awesome, and I don't want to be the only one who makes out. You know, I got to help you guys out. We're a community. But to see a run like this, a beautiful, beautiful chart that Litecoin is forming, a beautiful pennant flag, to see a 310% run up, we're going to see a $500 Litecoin, and that will be awesome. And I still think that's undervalued. So, moving on to OMG. So, shout out to you, Seth Shepard. We're going to just draw some nice lines of support, obviously, for OMG. Clear as day, this one right here. Draw a downtrend, as you can see, very clear. Very clear. And that's pretty much all I'm going to really draw for OMG, because obviously we're oversold on the RSI. We're trading below here, and we're coming to a point of support for OMG. So what we're looking for now is a pop, of course. A pop breaking out of this downtrend, maybe at around $9. We're currently at $8, so if we get to $9, we can see a run up easily to around $14, retesting that middle moving average before it can break up higher. But very nice to see. So do expect all these cryptocurrencies that I've been investigating or researching or showing you guys, they're all due for a run-up, all at the same time. Coincidence? I think not. The market is due for a run-up, guys. I really, really, really think so. All the coins are all lining up at the same freaking time to burst. Literally all around the same time. So be cautious, be mindful, don't invest more than you have. Be careful. That's all I can really say. I'm not a financial advisor. These are my tips from being involved in cryptocurrency for like a year or so. But otherwise, I do have a donation link below, a donation wallet for Litecoin and Bitcoin. So I appreciate all those who have been donating. I think it's awesome that you guys wanted me to even come up with the idea. So shout outs to you. You guys know who you are. The raffle, I believe, will be ending tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day. I will be doing the drawing on April 1st. Otherwise, leave a comment below as to what your top altcoin is. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.